Speaking Afrikaans. In this video, we are going to count from 1 to 10 in Afrikaans.
The reason for this video is number 1, for you to practice speaking Afrikaans, and number 2, for learners when they have to use this in school or in transactional writing.
Let's go. 1. 1. Let's say it together. 1. You will notice it sounds like you're saying the name Ian. 1. 2. 2. Let's say it together. 2. 3. 3. Let's say it together. 3. 4. 4. Let's say it together. 4. Remember, when you are saying the V in Afrikaans, you are going to treat it as an F. As many English people want to say V, the W, but we treat it as an F. It's the same sound. Fire, 4. Same with 5. 5. Try it with me. 5. 6. Try it with me. 6. Imagine you are saying the word says. Just make it shorter. Says. 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 Sewe. Sewe. Break it up. Sewe. Sewe. 8. 8. Say it with me. 8. 9. Again, break it up to make it easier. 9. 9. And the last one, 10. 10. And to make it easier, imagine you are saying the word 10. 10. 10. Okay, now let's say it together one more time. Say it out loud with me. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Well done. Now you have counted from 1 to 10 in Afrikaans. Okay, julle. I hope that this helped you. Tot ziens!